Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Jacob Helly. I'm 27 years old. I've been selling on Amazon for 4 years. I'm an advanced Amazon seller. To be successful on Amazon is why you clicked on this video. Pretty much, to be successful on Amazon, you need to know 3 things. And those 3 things are Alibaba, Helium 10, and the Amazon seller platform. Let's get a rundown. So if you're looking for a product, let's say you're looking for a hat and sports caps, what you want to do is you want to find a good hat. So there's so many different hats to choose from. For example, this guy, he's been open for a year. He's not verified. This would not be a good supplier. This person's been verified for 6 years, and they have trade insurance. So that'd be a good one. This guy's verified for 17 years. This would be a good one. What you'll want to do is make sure that they have trade insurance and that they're verified. Trade insurance means that you'll get your money back in case that anything goes wrong with the order, and then Alibaba will refund you it. So if the hats look nothing like what they said in the description, or if they never arrived at all, you can get your money back. Or if the supplier didn't get it to you on the right time, or they never shipped it out. And verified means that they have actually verified documents by Alibaba. Someone went on the site and took photos and looked over the documents. So there's different ways you could do that. You can look it up by products, or you can look it up by suppliers. I always do it by suppliers. It makes it a lot easier. See how it says 7,318? Well, if you put on trade insurance and verified, it brings it down to over 3,881 suppliers. And then what you do is you go through these suppliers, and you'll just click on their storefront, and then you'll go over their hats. A lot of Christmas stuff happening right now. And then the other platform you want to know is Helium 10. Helium 10 pulls all of the data from Amazon. Remember, knowledge is power. So if you know what is selling, how many sales they are getting, what keywords they're using, then you can use that to your advantage and make your product sell. Because the whole point is to show up on the first page for as many keywords that are relevant to your product, so then you will get sales. For example, my product, one of my main keywords had a 32,000 search volume, and I wanted to rank on page 1 for it. So then what I did is I made a PPC campaign for that keyword, and then I made sure to, over an 8-day period, to get the CPR sales. So it was like 86 divided by 8. That's how many sales I needed to get each day to show up on the first half of the page, and then I did, and then I lowered my price, and then I got so many sales that I got the Amazon Choice Badge. All right, and then the last thing you're going to need to know is the Amazon seller platform. This is where you make your listings, this is where you create your shipment plans. This is where you run your PPC campaigns. This is where you check the orders. This is where you check your reports. And when you list stuff right here on this page, on your manage inventory, and you create a listing, it will show up in the Amazon catalog. So when people type it in, your title, then they will find your product. Also, when you run your PPC campaigns and you pull up all the keywords that are relevant, people will find your product. So these are the 3 things that you need to know to be successful on Amazon. So what I would do if I were you, I would watch a lot of videos on Alibaba, and then I watch a lot of videos on Helium 10, and I would watch a lot of videos on the Amazon seller platform. This is just to point you in the right direction. I'm not going any deeper into it. This is just to get you on the right path to know where to go first. All right, thank you for your time. I hope you have a lovely day.